My son is 12 years old. He has gone out to play with his friends from the bicycle. He was playing on the road, and that lady, she saw that my son is playing outside on the road. Because her sleep got disturbed, she came politely to call my son. Very nicely she had called my son, come close to me. He had gone to ask that what happened, auntie, and she started beating so badly and very continuously, so he couldn't even think what was happening, what was going on. Then he ran away inside his friend's house also. Behind his, she was running. And she was beating my son continuously, and she was running also behind my son. And she couldn't stop. That she was not stopping also while beating. So badly she was started beating to my son. He couldn't even die that time. He could even die. What happened if he got such a head surgery? If he got some eye damage? Who is the responsible for that? Yeah. On 18th of January 2021, time is around 3 o'clock. He had gone out to play. Then she saw my child is there outside. She came and she started hitting him very badly. Then he came running to me, my child. Then he was crying very badly that he couldn't even speak to me. I asked what happened. He told that Mama, she hit me like that, so I couldn't even run. I couldn't even talk to he couldn't even breathe also. Then then I had showed to my husband, look, my son is beaten very badly. We will take action. We will go straight to the police station. Then we had gone to the police station. We registered a case. Then police called that lady also in the police station, and they were like, they left her on the bail also.